Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to learn Russian using Duolingo. Now, either you want to add a course to your existing course or courses, or you want to just start afresh, you can just click on the plus button, or if you're starting afresh, once you click on the app, you should be asked to choose a language. So I'm going to choose, of course I'm trying to learn Russian. So I'm going to click on Russian. Yes. Duolingo is writing this down. Now, first place to start, I've never learned Russian before, so I'm learning Russian for the first time. Start from scratch. Then they will take you to learn a bit to test your knowledge. Sometimes the hearing might not work, so you can just click on it to see the letter. So, but after a while, Duolingo will fix. I never had. Another thing is, once you run out of ads, you are unable to properly finish your lesson. But the thing is, once you're done with the first lesson, you have started learning Russian. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.